Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a Born Pretty haul. They were kind enough to send this to me. All I did was open the package, take the shrink wrap off. So let's get into it. So from what I remember, I mean, I know how to do gel polish. This was a jelly and then hollow collection. I mean, they're all pretty because I can see on top, but do I do the other ones first? All right, we're gonna do this guy last, so if that's what you wanna see, I'm gonna do him last because I wanna see what these jellies are like. And so it's so funny that these now have the dots on top because one of my viral videos that I think it got like combined, I think 7 million or 8 million views on TikTok. It was actually me destroying a Born Pretty gel polish and putting the date dot on top, or the date dot, the gel polish color on top, and they commented on it. So I don't know, if I had some influence here or I'm just in my head here. So this is BPJM05. Yes, these are the jellies. Okay, I was pretty sure that's what this was. The jellies. Now, I will admit, I am not very good at jelly nails because I always tend to either do too much, or I feel like you need to do thin coats with no extra gel polish, but I never get there because I'm always like, oh, it's not perfect, I need to go back in, and then I actually interrupt the jelly moment. All right, JM04. That is a hot pink. Yeah, you could do 2 super thin coats, and honestly, that's probably what I would do if I was doing this on a natural nail. Is super thin coats. I think jelly is so cool. Pretty sure since the beginning of me doing all these types of things, I'm always like, I love gimmicky stuff, so take that, into consideration. Oh, this is JM03. Whoopsies. And this looks like a pretty nice standard pink, like if you just want a little bit of coverage on your nails, this would be really pretty on. This is JM02, and this would be nice if it was a white and we could do like a jelly pink and white. Anyone? Gray. Damn. I mean, I guess I could just add, a bunch of clear, or have clear and add some white to it. Okay, gonna give that just a second. It does not take long, I notice, for these to kind of mold together. And now it's super smooth. All right, we got JM06. Ooh, you're black, okay. Or is this purple? I don't know. I think it is purple, but I also feel like anytime you do a jelly black, it just looks gray or purple. See what I mean? I just keep going over it. Okay, we're calling it after this one. Giving it a second. Here's the one I know you're waiting for. This is JM01. And they did give you a magnet in the little kit. So I might turn this down again. So this is a super thick one. And I'm wondering if it's so they can keep it concentrated with the, I would say it's a hollow flash gel or hollow cat eye. I mean, that is so cool. I hope you can see that because that is so pretty. Try it on the pink. And this guy does not want to move for me right now. There we go. So let me put my hand under it. Pretty cool. I like the jellies by themselves. However, that hollow when you add it is pretty spectacular, I have to say, because like it just takes it to the next level. And I love that I can put it over anything. Like if I want to put it over, you know what, I'm gonna put it over this just a little bit because I don't want to waste it on something that I'm going to be taking off in a sec. By a sec, I mean I'm probably like 3 weeks out because I just never have time. I don't know. I want the one, there we go, the one that repels it. I hope that's gonna show up. Do you see that line going? It's just so cool. This would look awesome under a nude nail. Or one of the other gel polishes I recently hauled. This would look so cool under just like a glitter nail too. So cool. All right, these are the jellies along with that, I guess it would just be holographic cat eye. And man, that is some awesome effect, okay? This is definitely one of the cooler effects I have had. You guys know I love cat eye and I just love gimmicky stuff. So jelly and then gimmicky stuff, and it just goes together. And I liked that they evened out themselves. So there may be a little bit of shadowing to them, but two thin coats will take care of that. And even the little bit thicker coat that I did, it was fine. No one would ever notice. So yes, I'm obsessed. Run to get this, specifically this, if you're interested. I will link it all below for you guys. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.